Hello and welcome to BABAKAY'S kitchen. On today's menu, we're going to be cooking Caribbean brown stew chicken. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you view this video. Thank you. For the ingredients today, we're going to be using 4 pounds of chicken legs cut in half, tomato, habanero peppers, spring onion, thyme, onion, a cup of oil, sugar, Knorr seasoning, ginger, celery, bell pepper, garlic, and green seasoning. Now I'm going to season the chicken, which is already washed. I'm going to put the green seasoning first. The Knorr seasoning. Thyme. Garlic. Celery. Ginger. And I'm also going to be mixing the onion, tomato, peppers, and remember guys, the measurement for all this is going to be below the video. I'm going to mix all this together. So now we have the fire on medium heat for about 1 minute. So I'm going to put the oil now. And I'm going to put the sugar. And just stir till it becomes golden brown. So what I'm doing now is burning the sugar, and that's what I'm going to use to brown the chicken. I'm waiting for it to turn golden brown before I start adding the chicken. After letting it brown for about 3 minutes, so you can see the chicken is browning. So we're going to do this till all the chicken is brown. So I've been browning this for about 12 minutes now. So I'm gonna put the seasoning from the chicken. I'm gonna put this in now. I'm gonna mix this all up and cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. It's about 15 minutes into cook time. I already see the chicken is cooking in its own juices. I'm gonna leave this for another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll be done. It's been cooking medium heat for about 15 minutes now. As you can see, it is ready to be served. And this is my finished dish, Caribbean brown stew chicken served with rice, plantains, and avocado. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like. Thank you for viewing.